So going to give a little room tour. We are room 9253 and it is an inside stateroom. So when you walk in, immediately to your left are your bathroom. They have the split bathroom on the Adventure like they do on the other ships. So toilet area, sink, and actually this is really cool. So looks really good. Great for doing makeup. Really bright. Yeah, a little, you can hang up here. Then over here we have the shower. So a little bit different to the other ships in that this is just a shower, so no bath. But actually kind of like that better, to be honest. So it opens inward. You have your Disney products that we see on the other ships. It also has the pull-out washing line, which is great. So very similar, other than it's a shower rather than a bath. But it's really spacious, it's huge. So then when we come out, you can see the storage areas here. So you got hanging storage. Then there is little cupboards. And actually a cool feature on this ship is that you select this button here for room occupied. So that means your stateroom attendant won't come in and bother you while that is selected. And if you want them to service your room, then you click this one and it puts a light on outside so they know. So that's really cool. It's a cool feature. And then over here we have tea and coffee making facilities, which is really nice. Don't get these on the other ships. So there is also a safe here. It's like a drawer. A little fridge. Ooh. Not sure what way that open. Oh, there we go. So that's cool. And then another drawer underneath for more storage. And nice full length mirror. And your room temperature controls here too. And then obviously the main cabin area. So we have a Frozen theme, which is really cute. And I have to say the room feels very spacious for an inside room. I was kind of worried. This is our first time in a inside stateroom and I was worried it was going to feel tiny, but actually it's really nice. It's really spacious. There's so much room here. So you have TV and this kind of vanity area, which is definitely smaller, thinner than on the other ships, but it has this table that pulls out. So, which is kind of really nice because then it actually folds away when you don't need it and gives a lot more floor area room, which is cool. So you have that. And the drawers here. So just storage and your the mat for any curling irons or hair straighteners, and more storage, and the hairdryer is just under here. So that's really handy, and the little stool to pull out. So it's got everything you need really. But I'm actually just so impressed with the amount of space we have. It feels very much like the veranda staterooms that we've had in terms of space, just without obviously no veranda because we're inside. But yeah, really, really impressed with that. I had also seen people mentioning online when pictures were revealed of these staterooms that they thought they looked maybe a little bit cheap in terms of furnishings, etc. I have to say that's definitely not the case at all. Everything feels really, really good quality, really nice furnishings. The room is gorgeous. Like, I'm very happy with the room, but everything feels really nice, textiles wise and finishings. Like, it's pretty much everything that you would want or need. So yeah, really, really happy. So wouldn't hesitate to recommend one of the inside rooms in terms of space, especially for a couple. There's plenty of room in here, even though we could also use this fold down bed if there were more than the two of us. But yeah, really, really happy, really impressed.